Hindi ako naka-receive. Hi, welcome. Welcome to TikTok Live. Have fun interacting with me in real time.
Gusto ko siyang rewardan.
Okay, just so you know, guys, I'm doing my live now, but I mean because I don't have class.
Student.
Let's watch Ivana Alawis vlog.
Napakabuti niyang tao, guys. As in, napaka-trustworthy, napakabait, and napaka-loyal. Kaya naman, para sa mga ganung tao, papaiyakin natin at papasayahin natin. Siya yung nagdadrive sa akin pag may mga vlog ako, pag may taping, pag may prank, pag may pupuntahan ako, nandun siya lagi. At never ako nakarinig ng reklamo. Guys, sobrang hirap ng trabaho ko. Minsan, umaabot ng 15 hours.
Welcome, Blaine Bunyales.
Siya na pwede magpahinga.
Welcome to my live.
Talaga namin. Kasama din natin siya sa aking vlog, yung prank ko kay Mona, yung may nakabanggaan kami. Umarte talaga siya dun, yung parang, no, sir, naisip ko, makakatulong sa kanya.
Welcome, Obispo. We also have Jason Agaw and Jackies. Young_John De La Cruz David. Thank you for joining this live. Okay, just so you know, guys, it's my vacant time, so I don't have class, basically. So, just don't question why I'm doing live today, even if it is class hours. Hi, Glide, Paglin. We also have Zero. Fred, Shell. Hey, Cook. Welcome to our live. My live, I mean.
Do you speak English?
Hello, everyone. So, na-bored lang po ako, kaya nagla-live po tayo today. Kasi wala po tayong class. Our students just finished taking their exams. That's why it's my free time. It's my me time. Hi, Scarface. Welcome, Yayan Irving. Christian, C. Bobby, and Esme. How do you read your name? SHRX Ando. Kim Matt, stay cook. We also have Yanyan Irving, Washa 54, Lucas. Hi, Christian. Welcome to my live. VJ Salgado. Hello, what's up? Washu 54. Is that a Japanese name? I thank you for the gift. Washu 54. Welcome, Doma Rodrigue or Rodrigue. How do you say your name? Rap De La Cruz 0. James. Rap De La Cruz. Thank you, Rap, for your gift. What our lesson today? Kakatapos lang po namin ng exam. Baka ma-report po tayo kasi class hours. Kakatapos lang po ng exam ng mga bata. So, they are not here. So, it's my vacant time po. Thank you po sa mga pag-gift. Hi, good afternoon. Washa 54. Yeah. Huh? Blooming talaga pag buntis. How do you say so? I'm not pregnant. Miko. Ay, thank you, Miko, for your gift. Ikaw na naman. Ikaw na naman. Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Lloyd. Uy, huwag naman. Respect naman, guys. Teacher nga. It's okay. What grade? I am teaching grade 12. I am a senior high school teacher. Yes. I'm teaching grade 12 and grade 11. What grade? But I am the advisor of grade 12, by the way. Call Ash who? Okay. So your name is Ash. Was you 5'4"? Okay. I'm actually watching Ivana's vlog. Nawala ang kotse ko prank. Hi gosh. Ako nga ba? Do you guys have question? You can drop your question here, Char. So we have a total of 39 viewers and 6 likes for this live. Thank you everyone for liking this live. Welcome Jayor, what's your name? And we also have Yashoy Kun. Kun para Naruto Kun. Sure. It's your first time, ma'am. It is actually my third time. I did my live last night twice. So this is my third time. Hi, annyeonghaseyo. Hello. Ma. Just keep on answering the calls, ma'am, because it's just limited. Whoa. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's nice. Shout out please. Okay, shout out to Nolly Perol. Oy, you guys, why are you online? Don't you have class today? Basin absent mo ha. Bisaya di ay ko day. Paka-absent kayo today. That's bad. You're welcome, Nolly Perol.
Yes, Philippines. Mabuti.
Hi, Amriel. Amriel has joined the live today.
I know how to speak Arabic.
Don't be nervous.
A little.
Oh, do I look like nervous?
Yes.
Really? Ash? Do I look like nervous? Di mo ko nervous, oy. Char. Thank you, Ash, for liking the live. Really? You think so? Because it's not my 40, maybe. It's really not my 40. 40?
Yes.
40.
Yes. Are you in the mom?
Asa ka gatudlo, ma'am? Okay. Sa Bitaogan is integrated school. Here in Bitaogan is Caguay, Surigao del Sur. I don't think you're familiar with this place. Surigao. Somewhere in Surigao del Sur.
I'm a teacher.
Hi, Rivet and Faith.
How about you?
Welcome to my live.
That's good. Very good.
Unsa na grade ginatudloan nimo po? I am teaching grade 11 and grade 12, and I am the advisor of grade 12. Our school is just a small school, guys. Like, we only have 2 strands here and 1 section only. Well, far, yes. Maybe far, it depends kung ano yung place mo. Asa ka, ma'am? How? Unsa na strand? TVL, we only have TVL and gas here. Are you a senior high student? Welcome, Darwin Dadya. Welcome. So we have a total of 176 likes. TVL ko atong 11 of 12 ko, ma'am. I see. So you are already in college. What course did you take? Yeah, thank you for sharing. SKL. Share ko lang. Wait, reposted yun, Ash. You don't have to repost this. Patay, char. Baka ma-report po tayo sa division. Again, disclaimer good. Vacant po tayo ngayon, wala po tayong class. Teacher discusses class and exams. AI live summary. No one knows. Kaon-kaon, ma'am. What's kaon-kaon, ma'am? I already ate my lunch. So boring here. Basta ting exam, hayahay gid me. Pero pag koan, yung tawag, pag walay exam, regular koan, regular class, discuss and all, activity, quizzes and everything. I mean, yeah, you are pertaining to the strand, which is TVL. Yes, that's luto-luto, but it's not all about luto-luto ang TVL, no? It's also about the services. How do you serve the food to the customers, or yes. Hello, Jepat. Welcome to this live. Haggard na ko, oiga. Nag-watch ako direct YouTube. But tomorrow, balik na po tayo. Bisaya, Tagalog, balik na po tayo. Ano ba yan? Hello, what is TVL po? Oh, Amriel, you were a TVL student. So, what does TVL stand for daw? Sige daw, you answer, Jepat. Para naman meron kayong interaction with each other. Uy, you know what, Amriel, I really hate my voice. Especially if it is recorded. Really, as in. Gamay gid kay siya, as in, maglagot ko. Magun kilamok diri bukid, magini nga mo school, eh. Gamay kay kog tingog, maglagot ko, basta recorded akong voice. Ako kay TVL AFA. What do you mean by AFA? Hi, Tufu. Welcome to this live. It's beautiful. Don't say that, ma'am. Alright. Kitty Duterte? Yeah. Nindot man good, ma'am. Labi na mag-ingek. Because I am an English teacher. I'm teaching ko an English related subjects. Thank you for the rose. Ash. I remember you chatting or commenting that I should call you Ash. Thank you for sending heart. Ma'am, dito po ba yung paraffle ng kalabaw? I don't know. I'm not really familiar with that. I'm just a newbie in TikTok. Unsay ginatulo nimo, ma'am? Okay. Entrepreneurship. Because actually entrepreneurship is not related to my area, or what they call this, major. But since I am a teacher, then I have to accept everything kay lang pa flexible daw si teacher. Entrepreneurship, I'm also teaching this. Then komunikasyon at pananaliksik, pagbasa at pagsulat. Pagbasa at pagsulat. Also, English for ACAD. I really like English for ACAD because I can relate to that subject because I am an English teacher. Then, what else? Ano pa ba akong subject? Uy. Yeah, I'm also teaching trends. I hope you guys are familiar with those subjects that I was talking. What else? I'm also teaching 21st century. I really like 21st century. And also physical education 11. Yes. What do you mean by what course? Mama, sa importance sa entrepreneurial mind. What do you mean by that? Ano yun? Q&A ba to? Ma'am, dito po.
No.
Sige daw. What is the importance of entrepreneurial mind? Naman tagaan mong kunin yung problema, oy. Unsa to subject una nimo? Ay! Are you referring to the entrepreneurship? Ma'am, ga-live ko sa TikTok.
Ha?
Ga-live ko sa TikTok. Wow, all-in-one, you're teaching in room. Wow, Char. Unsa to subject una nimo? Entrepreneurship. Why? What's with that subject?
Hi.
Why mind? What's that?
How are you?
Hi everyone. You can send me diamonds so that I could earn. Charis lang.
Hello?
Medyo tumataba na po tayo, mga anak sa Diyos. Joke. Unsa to subject? Balik na nga. Number 3. Okay, thank you guys. We have like 1K total of likes. It's approximately 1K. And 39 plus viewers. Yay! Ang importance sa entrepreneurial is critical thinking and accept rejection. Tama po ba? You think so? What do you mean by entrepreneurial? Is that koan? Na-misspelled mo lang ba? Jepat?
Hi.
Or entrepreneurial
I
mindset?
cannot hear you.
Are you yeah, entrepreneur. So you are referring to entrepreneurial mind. Wala, kung sino imo koan, answer sa imong question. Ang importance sa entrepreneurial is critical thinking and accept rejection. Yes, somehow that is correct.
Hi.
Diba? Because when you are putting up a business,
You're from India?
it's very normal to get rejected. It's very normal to experience failure or to experience bankruptcy, especially if you're not handling it well. But you have to make sure na you can learn from that failure. Am I right?
I will type.
Diba? Because it's not easy to put up a business. You need money. What else? You need to be a risk taker. When you say risk taker, dapat, unsa? Wow, ga-discuss baya.
Do you speak English?
Dapat buwang loob nimo, dili ka
Do
magduha-duha.
you speak English?
Ma-failure man ka or not. Dapat you have passion in it. I'm sure you have passion in it because
Oh.
you are willing to risk everything, right? And even your money. Because I am third year. Wow! Good job, Jepat. You continue it. Ha? Until mag fourth year ka. Graduate na dayon ka. Graduate. Char. I know na, ma'am. Okay, bye. Char. Uy, basi wala mo nagklase ha. Dili ra mo sa live. Good afternoon, Froz. Uy ha, basin live ra mo diha. Wala day mo na minong sa inyong klase. Live yun. Ako man unta nag-live. View sa live. Yeah, that's the correct term.
No.
So the time is 2:06. I'm actually waiting for our for our out. I'm champion about entrepreneur in USDT, LCDO. Oh wow! What do you mean by you are the champion about entrepreneur? What do you mean by that? You are a champion about entrepreneur?
Are you?
That's very confusing. You have to elaborate it. What do you mean by that, Chepat? Hapit na alas 3, patod kag kape, ma'am. I'm sorry, but I'm not drinking coffee. I'm only drinking milk. Feeling pero milk, yeah. Because I have hyperacidity. Sumasakit yung, I don't know what's the Tagalog term of suok. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Arnel de San Miguel. Welcome to this live.
Do you speak English?
Hi, Cha. TVL Insights.
I will try.
Hello, Kampon. Grabe siya. Gahay po ng imong name. Uy. Hello, Kampon ni Satanas. Grabe siya. Hello, Barako Boy. Barako Boy has joined the live. It's okay. You're not Kampon ni Satanas. You're not believer of God. Sorry for judging you, ha, but
Do you speak English?
I'm actually basing to your, username in TikTok. You should change that. Wow. Controller. By creating new innovation.
Nothing, because I don't have class right now.
Okay. Ano po yung subject?
I'm not sure.
Ha, okay. Uulitin ko po yung subject na tinuturo ko para kay Kampo ni Satanas. I'm teaching entrepreneurship, trends. We also have like 21st century, and my favorite subject, which is English for Acad or English for Academic, and entrepreneurship. What else? Another language subject na Filipino, komunikasyon at pananaliksik, pagbasa at pagsusuri.
Difficult.
Did I answer your question? Sure. Thank you for joining this live. I know
You look young.
this live is just so nonsense, but thank you for staying, guys. Hi, Naku. Bye, ma'am. Thank you for your answers. You're welcome, Jepat.
I thought you were high school.
You continue what you are doing.
Bye.
Nathan has joined the live. Welcome, Nathan, for this.
Go back.
Welcome to this live.
Hi. Do you speak English?
I don't speak English.
You speak English? I will type. I will type.
Bisi ko, ma'am. Grabe na ganito mga kuha niyo. Workaholic ko, guide, ma'am.
How are you? Tapos na, tama na.
At least ikaw ko, adjud ko'y call.
Hi.
Hi guys, you can send me diamond if you want. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, thank you for sending me 2 diamonds. Thank you so much.
So much.
Ma'am, another diamond for this live.
Wow.
May nag-send. Hi, Blance Paris. Welcome to my live.
Ano to, Brad? Dati packet in group.
Ha?
Group.
Wala ko yun, Ma'am Jo. Kay murag kinahanglan pa kita create ng group or mo join sa isa ka group. Pero kayo dili sa kita under ng agency, so difficult din kayo siya.
Ano dati?
Welcome, Christian Padron. Wala pud ko. So far itong 5 minutes ra nga ako i-accomplish.
Bakit na lumabas ko sa call?
Ako wala na jud ko.
Sa una?
Oo, sugod-sug. Kumahula na jud ko call.
Mabot na lang ako party ko on. Hi.
Do you guys have question? Maybe I can answer it. But bawal ang difficult question. Wow, Char. Ma'am, wa ko taga-grado sa akong ma'am. Pwede nimo na lang ko mangayo. Wow, you know the answer. I'm not your subject teacher. You cannot ask for a grade from me. Okay. If wala Christian Padron, if wala ka taga-grado sa imong ma'am, maybe you are lacking maybe exam or project or requirements. You really have to comply. Kung wala ka tagay grado, ibig sabihin, that only means you still have the chance, right? Ibig sabihin, buutan si teacher. Kaya if kung ang ihatag sa imo is bagsak, teachers cannot change that failed grade. But if it is blanco pa, ibig sabihin, you still have a chance. So you have to comply it. Okay? Christian Padron, did you get me? Wow, go first. Okay, Christian Padron.
Bye-bye.
Mo lagi na. Sige, siguro ka absent Christian Padron. Wow, nangasaba. Hello, bossing. Welcome, Ruel. Ba't ka galit, ma'am? But I'm just, joking, guys. John Bert Villegas. Welcome. Tina Moran. Is that a bastos word? Okay, Macdudes Gernale has joined the live. Ay, bossing, that's not a good word, ha? I can understand it because I'm not a kid anymore. You delete that. The TikTok AI can detect that word. Sorry. Ma'am, basta ikaw akong teacher, balag magbalag ba ito? You cannot say that. Everyone says that pag ma-under na ako sila, kapuyan sila sa ako kasi gira kong tiyab. Char, soko kay ko.
You speak English?
Thank you for the gift, Christian Padron. God bless.
From where are you?
Thank you for following Rian, Kate, Figuration. Thank you for sending Rose, Macdudes, Kernale.
What part of
Joke, Rabita, ma'am, God bless. It's okay. If it is just a joke, then it's okay. God bless you, Christian. Christian Baya, Padron. Rian, Kate, Peg has joined the live. We also have Kim Blancas. Kaya nga nung naaman mo dire, wala mo yung klase?
I'm working.
Bantay lang mo ha, nag-absent mo.
Are you working?
Sorry, ang asaba siya. Dito ha, never, ever talaga mag-absent. Dali na gid kayong panahon.
What?
There's no reason para muundang ka mo sa pag-eskwela. Ilahid ang 4 years. Right? If you are already first year college, then dali ra gid kaayo. Wala mo ka-graduate. Basta manikamot lang. Dali ra kayong panahon. Ay, tigulang na ganay ko.
41 na.
41 beans? 41K?
Mag-42 na to.
Pilang dollars?
Ha?
Pilang equivalent dollars?
Wala, hindi na to. Dami ko
Thank you, Macdudes, Journales. Ay, Journale ba ya? For sending the rose. God bless. Question. I'm accepting question.
All
Char.
earnings is 3,260.
So, sa
Diamond ko 1,660 na.
Go. Ako, diamond ko 1,000 ka pinsam. Hello, Jack. Hello, Mr. Rave. Thank you, Rave, for the gift. Anong subject mo? Okay, balik ko na po na to, no? Char. Actually, kainaragin na ako na question. I'm teaching trends. I'm also teaching entrepreneurship. Though entrepreneurship is not my line because I'm an English teacher. English for ACAD. We also have Filipino like pagbasa at pagsusuri, komunikasyon at pananaliksik, and physical education, 21st century. Yes, trends and these. Ay, graduate na day ka, Mr. Ray. Well, good to hear that. I hope you can find a job. Or if you already have a job, I hope you can do well in your job.
What country are you?
Uy, guys, you don't need to repost this live, Char. Class hours mong good ron, pero wala may klase ha. I'm being defensive here. Do not repost this live, guys. Kasi it's class hours. Basi makaingon ng among superintendent o supervisor na nag-live ra si teacher. That's not true.
Hi.
I'm doing some paperwork here. Actually, we don't have class today because we're just, done with the exam, first quarter examination. Graduate na po ako. Hi everyone, thank you for the gifts. Kian has joined the live.
I'm working as a teacher.
Oh, you can send me gift, guys. Wow! Okay, ang hayo.
How about you?
Any question? Do you have question, guys? Ay, dali rags. Gusto naman di ay. Bisaya po tayo dito, guys. Hello, Chinzy. Good afternoon. Thank you, Chinzy, for the gift. Hello, sinini hi there, ma'am. Hello, Jason Arsolon. Ilang years ka na po sa field of teaching, ma'am? Okay, good question.
Isn't it hard?
So far in DepEd, it's 1 year and mga 2 months, I guess. 2 months now. But in general, talking about teaching field, 4 years. 3 years in private school and 1 year plus here in DepEd or public school. Hello, pobreng tapulan. Do not say that to yourself, pobreng tapulan. You can be pobre, but you can't be tapulan. I mean, dili pwede ni midungan si pobre og tapulan kay it's the end of the world, guys. Char. Hi, pobreng tapulan. I know, pobreng kugihan or datong kugihan. Just sent the gift. Thank you for the gift. Maupay nga kahapon. Maupay. You mean good afternoon? Char. Good afternoon, pobreng tapulan. Hi, mom. I'm not your mother. User 1620017833817. Char. Hello, son or daughter. Hello, child. Thank you, user numbers,
How old
for
are
the
you?
gift. Wow, congratulations po, ma'am. For what? Are you pertaining to the gift? Well, thank you. Hoy guys, ha, basin.
Are you 24? 22?
Yes. I'm married po. Kinasal po ako ng like last year, 2020. No, last year, 2023. Yes. No, ma'am. So, 4 years. Thank you. Thank you, Chency. She was pertaining to the 4 years field of teaching. Thank you. I appreciate your congratulations word. Why? Because it's so difficult talaga to enter DepEd or to apply in DepEd. As in super. You need to invest everything. Your money, your effort, countless application, interviews, demo teaching. You have to pass the CAT score for RQA. If you are an education student, you can definitely understand it.
Hi.
Right? Patambay mo na sa live mo sa kabila kasi nagmumura daw yung tomboy, may rigla ata. Okay, you can tambay-tambay here in my live. Hindi naman po ako nagmumura. At hindi ako magmumura. Kasi that's bad. And that's against to my code of ethics as a teacher. Am I right? Wow. I'm planning din po, pero I was hesitant to make a move ng ranking. Oh! So you are an education student. And probably, you had graduated already. Because you are planning to rank A. Okay, for now, if you don't have teaching experience, Chency, just apply first in private schools. No, I'm not saying that it's your stepping stone. Aside from it can hone your skills in teaching, you can also gain teaching experience, which is very important in ranking. No? You need to take my advice because I've been there. Worse than that. Worse than that? Ano po yung nakakatakot, gabi ng lagim or kagat ng bading? I guess, ano to, Miss Q&A, ano po yung nakakatakot, gabi ng lagim or kagat ng bading? I guess, gabi ng lagim. Why? You don't know where your, what they call this, opponents are, right? Maybe they are hiding somewhere and you cannot see them because it's gabi. But if it is bading, you could actually defend yourself from it or fight against that bading. Tama ba? Walay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Chency. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Chency. If you do have questions gayud when it comes to ranking, you can message me privately, okay? I can definitely help you because I've been there. Yes po, teacher. Sad po sa joke lang. Teacher po ako. Fortunately. Yes po, pinalad po tayong maging teacher. Yun po ay decision ni Lord. Thank you, Lord. You know what, guys? The reason why I took education or I wanted to be a teacher because during high school, way back in high school, favorite na ako ang reporting. Favorite na ako ang pag-share ng knowledge like that. If I learn something like trivia, I have this urge in me na I want to share this to someone or to some people. That's me. As in. Pero, I'm not a perfect teacher. I'm really not a perfect teacher. Sometimes, maka-fake og patakulan. Sometimes, maka-excite, lami itudlo. Pero sometimes, pag kapi ka itudlo, nga no, manani-enter. Wow, over. Mama ng ulam. Anong ulam? Kanina, yung ulam ko po is yung egg na scrambled mixed with century tuna. Teacher po kayo, yes. Hi, ma'am, paano po makakajowa? Well, you know, people tend to do mating. Gets mo? Yung makig-mate ko, gay ba? Dili meet na makikita ha. Mate, like you know. It's human instinct. Pag feel mo na makig-jowa, you have that natural knowledge good on how are you gonna do that thing to have jowa in your life. Hi, ma'am. Hello, Von Von. Hey, thank you, Von, for the gift. Hi po, shoutout kay Gina Cool. Ikaw, Yosef, ha? That's bad. That's bad. Okay? Ma'am, mabem. Hoy, Rico Zumuto, that's bad. I'm not tolerating that kind of attitude. Ay, sakto sa bungero ako. Huh? Sa bungero. Squidward. Hey, thank you for the gift, Squidward. Thank you, Yosef. I'm not gonna do shout out that because that's bad. Hey, thank you, Yusef. Got you back. Why that's bad, ha? I'm not koan. Ma'am, klase ka. Wala may klase karunday. Kupal Gangnam Style. Wala may klase. Nahuman lang, kakatapos lang ng exam. That's not true, TikToker. Paano ko po sasabihin? Okay, from Elijah D. Paano ko po sasabihin sa crush ko na gusto ko siya? Well, you know, it's not bad to confess to your crush that you have feelings for him or for her. It is bad if you pass something, ano ba, by force ba? Pero, your question is paano? just go to that person and tell him or her the truth that you have a crush on him. That's it. Simple. Ba't po mainit ang ulan? Save your Zane. Ba't po mainitin ulo ng mga teacher? It's because of the students. Because of the behaviors of the students. Diba? Hindi naman po magagalit si teacher ng walang dahilan. Kung nagagalit ng walang dahilan, maybe crazy siya. Crazy! Siyempre, maybe behavior of the students. That's it. Thank you, Savior, for the gift. Ma'am. Okay. Gonna ban yun. Hi po, ma'am. What's mismo? Hello, A. You really have a short name. Ma'am, magkano pamasahe sa Tacloban? I don't know, Z9. Hindi po ako taga Tacloban. Or really TikToker? Paano ko pa sasabihin na nakakrush sa akin na di ko siya gusto? I don't know. Wow. Just tell him her the truth. Diba? No more flowering words. Directly go. Thank you, Savior, for the gift. Oy, Ma'am Fushin. Ma'am, baka gusto niyo po i-try zipline sa amin wireless po. We cannot call it zipline if it is wireless. Do you get me? Fushin, thank you. Thank you, Fushin. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for what? Ma'am, galit din po yung student kasi di nila maintindihan. Well, two things lang yan. A. Kung hindi naiintindihan ni student ang lesson ni teacher, maybe hindi masyadong na-elaborate ni teacher in a simple way. Second, slow si student. Like, nag-gets ng tanan, siya lang wala ka-gets. Gets? Thank you, A, for the gift. Oh my gosh. I do not comment bad words here, ha? I'm gonna block you. Or nasty comments.
Ang confidence ko
Thank you, A, for the gift badge. Welcome, J underscore yan. Thank you, A. Someone sent me diamonds and that's 10 diamonds. Thank you. 2 is foresight. Feeling ko magre-retire na po tayo sa teaching field. Charla. We thank you, ha. Like, super thank you. I didn't expect that. I'm just doing this live because I have nothing to do. That's it. Ma'am Jo, tapos na ka, oh?
Super daw sa kasi 49,408.
Nagdugangan sa kayo, beans.
Ha?
Nagkadugang-dugang sa ka-beans mo.
Oo, ako yun.
We thank you. Thank you for the gift. But We thank you for the gift. Hello, ma'am. Pwede ko may school up. Yes, pwede. You know. Never ever stop learning. Okay? If you wish to go to school again or to enroll to school again, even if you have finished studying already, anytime, you are accepted. Ma'am, paano maging maganda? Well, paano maging maganda. If you're pertaining about the physical aspect of a person, then you need to take care of yourself. You need to sleep 8 to 10 hours. You need to drink a lot of water. Sure. You need to apply sunscreen. You need to brush your teeth. You need to, wear clothes properly. Iron your clothes. What else? You need to be clean, to be neat. Right? Yan na siya. You know what? Uni-chan, if you are confident enough, guwapa na ka, ana. Basta confident lang ka. Kabantay ka, naay uban dili guwapa, pero nakasking dating. Confident mong good siya. Guwapa siya. Active siya. Ma'am, paano mo? Ganyan mo. I know that my students are doing this holiday. So, ma'am. What do you mean by that, Benji? Destacamento. Holiday. So, I don't understand it, Benji. Okay, thank you, Benji, for the gift. Again and again, guys. Thank you so much. Hanoni-chan. Okay ka sa sagot ko? Wow.
Hindi ko alam nasa parang versus smile, ano yun?
Ano versus? PK?
Oo.
Maka-earn ka gihapon niya ng beans, pero depende if may mo join sa iyo, kiba, di ba PK, kamo yan mag-clash. Kung may mo join na lahi na tao, then ikaw ang tagaan niya ng gift instead sa iya, may mga beans ka. Pero kung wala
Hindi
po.
ako agad.
Sige na, try. Random ba? Random PK. Nga naman ko, pero waste lang siya ng battery ba kay wala yung nasulod na lain.
Baka matanggal yung jeans mo.
Di man.
Ay, hindi.
Hi, Benji. Thank you for the gift. Okay. Good thing, Uni-chan. I'm not Ilocano, but they say that our dialect or language is somehow similar to Ilocano. Yes. So, there are some Visayan words na same sa Ilocano. I'm not Ilocano. I am Surigao nun. I am living in Mindanao. Any question? No, I don't know how to speak Waray-Waray. And I don't even know how to speak Ilocano. Pasuyin ako phone, guys. I guess I'm gonna end this video. Do you still have like questions? Maybe I can answer it for you. Gapla, sige day, sir mo sa pikas ng joke. Okay, guys. You can continue what you are doing now because I'm gonna end this live. Thank you so much for the gift, for making me smile, for making me happy today. With your gifts, with your question, with your comments. Okay, there are some people who are still joining this live, but I am about to end this live now. Hi, Saint. Oh, Saint just sent me gift. Thank you, Saint. Hi po, watching from Manila City Jail. Manila City Jail? It's so malayo po. Hello po, Pat Frank.
You're from?
Manila City Jail. Dalawa lang po yan. Either you are a BJMP or you are
I'm new here.
PDL. Person with deprived of liberty. Tama ba?
Nice.
Hello, Pat Frank. Shout out to you. Renato and Yuver. We also have Mon Mamon.
You're working?
Ana and me. Hi po, watching ka. Nagbalik. Yes po, Pat Frank. I see you.
Your brother?
Uy, thank you for the
I am your mother?
thank you so much for the diamonds, good. I really appreciate it. Gavi, or how do you pronounce your name? Thank you so much. I really appreciate the diamonds you have sent me.
You're 41?
You know what? Because of the diamonds you have sent me, maybe, I will do live tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will do live always. Ma'am, may klase ma'am. Wala po. Kakatapos lang po ng first quarter exam namin. So,
I'm 32.
half day lang po sila.
32.
Wait, thank you Arsenal for the gift patch. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hello, Maris Daras. Wala tayong klase, Day. Ma'am, magklase ta. Dili ta magklase. Wait, klase. Paway si ma'am. Angelo Caparan. Hello. Hello, Angelo. Wala po. Amin, 13, 14, 15 exam na mo midterm. Midterm? I guess you are already in college because you have like 3 days exam. 3-day
This is my
exam.
first time.
Ma'am, mandala pa tagkilit akong race kung magpasa ko Clorox.
First time.
No, unless otherwise nag-require sa imo teacher na magdala floor wax.
Yes.
No? In exchange sa imo grade. Okay?
You want me to
Okay.
sit down?
Ma'am, na klase, walay klase. Ugma? Of course, may klase ugma. Why? There's no holiday. Yes, exam na ma'am. Kakatapos lang po ng exam namin for first quarter. I mean, third quarter.
Go down.
We are already in second sem. Senior, hi po. We thank you, wisdom. Wisdom too. Ay,
Bye.
words of wisdom. Thank you for the badge, for the gift. Do you still have questions? I'm gonna end this video na. May mga nag-join pa. Mag-end na ko, guys. I'm gonna cry. Char. Hello, Barney. Thank you for joining this live. Hello, Jay. Hey, thank you, Barney, ha, for the gift. Ma'am, anong research? Unsao naman? Among research? Unsao naman to? You're asking me, unsao na doon yung research? Why? Asa naman mo dapit? Okay? Nasugdan na ng research, padayon na ng research. You know, if you are a grade 12 student or 11, that is your ticket, gateway, or ticket for you to graduate. Research is very important as much as it is important sa thesis. Ma'am, na ako isumbong. Go, Barney. You can go sumbong-sumbong that to me. Ma'am, naadi akong bag. Bibilin naman dito sa ni Bartoloy, ma'am. Is that Bartoloy? Your bag is not here. Go. You call Bartoloy. Or you check every corner of the room maybe. Tinago ni Bartoloy dyan sa mga, ano ba yan tawag, mga cabinet. Hi ma'am, kung ikaw may din ako muli. Kung di ka muli, muli man ko. Saon mo na, pabili ka sa room. Maunang ginasulti ng mga estudyante po na ako. Di daw mo uli, di mo undang. Pero yung teacher ako nila, ma'am kapoy na, ma'am may napagklase, kay batasa. Anyong kansamhamnida, layo ida. Hello, Sokchin Sokwan Kim. Are you really a Korean or you're just a K-pop fan? Abilino Antay. We also have Icolanos. Uy. Oh, really? You're half Korean? Half Korean. And I guess you are living here in Philippines. Ang cleaners, ma'am, kay Nilayas Dayon. Okay, Arsenal, if ang cleaners Nilayas Dayon, isumbong sa imo advisor ugma para maynusan. Palabad yun ng mga cleaners ng tapulan. Mingaw, ma'am. Sanli. No, mingaw. I'm doing live because so mingaw talaga. So boring. Galibog namin, ma'am, unsaon to ni namo. Dili daw gamitan ng quantitative assumption nila daw. If it is like assumption, you know, dapat ang research man good na ay results na. So, dili na siya basta assumption. You can call it assumption. Kung wala kita assumption, ga-assume ra ka na mauna siya, ingana. Dapat na ay result sa data na imong gi-gather. Pero kung quantitative assumption lang giayo sa teacher, why not? You know, mas okay na siyang quantitative assumption. Assumption lang man din giayo. Dili man din yung tinud-anay na kung ang result. Diba? Ako si Jerwin. Yes, I'm half. Okay, good thing you're half. Ako, 1/8 Chinese. Yeah, I'm not lying. My last name when I was not married yet, Tan. Views. Hi ma'am, sino pong pumatay kay Vixana? Di ko po alam. Maraming heroes sa ML. Vixana, that is mage, right? So maybe ang pumatay sa kanya is mga fighter. Yung mga nagro-room na mga fighter. Nope, I'm here in US because I'm practicing to speak English. Oh, you know what? You don't need to go to US. We have lots of teachers here. Hold on. Who are good in teaching English. Okay? So, dito tayo sa Pilipinas. Have a good day, ma'am. Start na gid amo klase. Uy, ngayon lang nag-start ang klase niyo. Ano na, alas 2 na. Kasi po ma'am. Wala ka po bang kayo? Wala pa akong klase, kakatapos lang po ng exam namin. Okay? Uy, nakatingin ng dalawang single. Well, I'm not single. I'm married. Shoutout na watching ko. Oh, Manila City Jail. Hi, Tibansi. City Jail. So, maybe you are a PDL or a BJMP. Ma'am, mag-overtime daw ka o niya. Kaya naubos na asa. Mag-overtime ka o niya. Kaya naaibuhos na asipon. I don't understand you, Jan Jeko, Jimpa, Jenko. But you know what? No one can tell me to do overtime. I am paid for 8 hours. Ay, mapatuloy po magmakal. You know what? It's a natural response of a person to love. You don't need to be taught about being loved. Well, next time, we'll try to study in Philippines. Oh, sure, you're always welcome in Philippines. People here are very, very accommodating. Ma'am, makapasa po ba ako or babagsak na lang po sa'yo? Okay. Makakapasa ka. Hiwala lang sa sarili. Ipasa na to na mo, ma'am. Uy, bahala na si Lord. Yes! Ako si Jerwin. You can do it. Okay? Ipasa. Ma'am, 1 plus 1, di ba cannot be? 1 plus 1, edi 8. Bala. Ma'am, cutting tayo. Cutting. No, makakat din yung salary po. Yakisubas. Uy, we have like 2K total of likes. Thank you so much. So, tuloy po. So, blooming talaga ako. Huh? Hindi naman ako buntis eh. Uy, thank you, Arsenal. Ma'am? You know, okay, Levi Flores, do you want me to block you? Ma'am, saan dapat ang interview? Ito na interview ako si Jerwin. Levi Flores, thank you for your gift. Ma'am, need advice. Feeling ko may iba ng GF. Ma'am, need advice. Feeling ko may iba na GF ko. May nakita kong kulot. Ew! I don't know. I cannot answer that one. You know, you need to gather some pieces of evidences. I know you're joking, Levi Flores. Don't laugh at me. Sure. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Levi Flores, for the gift. Wet side. I will respond to you in a silent way. That's it. Name? This is my name. Hey, ma'am, present po. Very good, Sep. Very good, you are present. Ma'am, ang saan tong fraction sa modern math in a modern world katong probables and probabilities. You know what? Ako sa Jerwin, I'm not a math teacher. I'm just an English teacher and I hate math. That's why I took this major because I hate math. Hi, ma'am, pa-shoutout from Cagayan. Hi, Junjun, shoutout from Cagayan de Oro City. Hi, Junjun, shout out. Yes, Levi Flores. Anything else? Ma'am Jo, pag-call pa, sige na ko live. Kaya nahidaw daw ga live. Kaya nahidaw ga live.
Ano?
Kaya nahidaw ko ga live. Pag live, pag... Chargis. Pag-call. Ma'am, bakit ako pogi? Levi Flores. No one is ugly. Of course, pogi ka kasi anak ka ni Lord. Oh. Reply pa ka sa anak Lord ng gamit ko, ha? Totoo po ba lahat daw po ng teacher na kapag bakasyon na sa loan? No, that's not true. I don't have loan. Bakit kayo pinanganak ako ng pogi? Because your mother is beautiful, your father is handsome. Genetics, right? Guys, mag-end na ko sa live. And lobat na po daw akong phone. Okay? I'm gonna end this live na. I'm about to end this live. Kidding aside, ma'am. Manabitaw ko sa eskwela. Wala lang ko mabuhat. Wala akong ano doon. Wala kayo mabuhat. Okay. Di wala kayo mabuhat. Sure. Uy, thank you, Jerwin, for the gift. Nakalak mo po ito, eh. Sige, ka po yun akong reply sa inyo. Kuya nani, uy. Parang tanga. Char. Tapos, tanong ako YouTube. Wala mo dra. Ay, dili ba mag-study ba ako for next lesson?
Yan sa kanyang pamilya, bibigyan natin siya ng 100,000 pesos. Sa experience niya, ang mga na-experience.
Okay, C. Paul Iraga 179. Hi, ma'am, from Perpetual Criminology. Tama nga yung sabi ni ma'am sa Republic Act 7438. Okay, you discussed to me what is the Republic Act 7438 all about. Go. Pag magulo na ang mundo. Sige, you discuss to me what is Republic Act 7438 all about. Ma'am, anong grade ko po sa inyo, ha? Levi Flores, you had sent me badge or gift. 90. Ma'am, magandang hapon po. Steady ka lang po. Oy, you want me to block you, Apple 16? Hi, teacher. Atin po na ako bukas. Jonald Salvania. Ka-G's na mo na absent. Bagsak konti ka. Babagsakin kita, Jonald Salvania. Lagi kang absent sa akin, ha? I have to remain silent lalo na pag si Paul. Or remain silent pag kiniklik ako sa mga nakakita ko. Oh. You are too fragile, si Paul. Kasi kinikilig ka agad, eh. Shoutout Charles Raven Danga. Dale Martin. Manong ulam. Oy, that's a joke from Showtime. Sexy babe, I know that joke. So, it says here that Republic Act number 7438, defining certain rights of persons arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation, as well as the duties of the arresting, detaining, and investigating officers, and providing penalties for violation thereof may be negative. Okay, fine. I'm gonna end this video na, guys.
Sa mga pinaprank namin. So, back to you, Kuya Batang. Yung dati nanonood ka lang sa
Ba't sabi nila, ma'am,
ikaw na iba.
ba't sabi nila, ma'am, cream and eduk, tama po ba? What do you mean by that? Cream ang eduk, tama po ba? Criminology and education, you mean? Or if pwede bang mag-cream ang eduk student? I don't get it. Can you elaborate it? Straight rumble, ma'am.
Pero bago yun, kailangan ko ng pabango ng pampaswerte. Kinakubang talaga ako. Papakita ko na din sa inyo ang isa sa mga favorite scents ko ngayon for February. Sobrang bango, sobrang fresh. So this is the perfume dessert, Peony and Red Apples. Diba pangarap pa lang? Ang sarap na. Ito 30 ml siya. Beauty parfum. Lagi ang
Bahala mo dira, uy, maglanto ko dira.
dessert.
Kuan,
Siyempre,
lesson.
lalo.
Lesson. I mean, yung eduk pwedeng i-board exam sa cream. Yung eduk pwedeng. Yes, pwede. I mean, not cream. Napulcom ang pwede. If you are an education student, graduate, then mag-take ka ng Napulcom. That's gonna be your eligibility na for you to be able to apply in PLP. We thank you, Junal Salvania, for the gift. Si Paul Iraga, pwede po ba, ma'am, ang alin? No? Di ko gid maggaragara sa ko Junal Salvania. Okay, you send Diamond. Wow! Whatever.
More premium siya, so kayang-kaya niya makipagsabayan sa lahat ng mga luxury perfumes. At yung kagandaan sa perfume dessert, kahit maligo ka ng pabango nila, napaka-affordable. Kasi
You know,
kapag may mga
guys, 18% pa lang po
ito,
tayo.
affordable
I
siya,
need to
long
end this
lasting.
live.
Sobrang
Really?
bango. And guys, napakarami ng scents ng perfume dessert. So kung ano talaga ang babali sa taste mo, sa signature mo, ano yung mahilig, lahat talaga ng scents, meron silang perfect for you. So pwede niyo
Pagugay, banin mo iba na magkuhan, uy. Hindi na indoors.
Napakaganda ng price niya at sobrang bango pa.
Let's go!
Batang Hector.
Okay, so ngayon susunduin na natin ang isang kakulab
Anong hawak
natin.
mo, ma'am?
Excited ako ma-meet siya. Mr. Beast.
Wala ko.
Yung mga big star dyan sa Amerika. So susunduin natin siya ngayon. Kuya, pabilis lang ako.
Okay. Do you still have question? Because I'm gonna end this live na.
My name is Ken Patrick Alejandro,
Hello, kuya ko si Jay.
known as Jeffito.
Mayayain pala ito eh. Mayayain ka pala.
First time ko na mag sa vlog mo.
Kasama natin for today si Jetty from TikTok. Thank you so much also for
Pag na-inlove ako sa'yo, panindigan mo to ha.
Ay, pala ba?
Who are you?
So, kuya, mamaya tayo ah. Bibrief ko siya. Okay, go.
Okay, I mean, anong hawak elementary college? I'm teaching senior high school, secondary, Jonel Salvania. Si Paul Raga Diliman ata, pero kung gusto ka magtulo, pwede ka magkuha ng TCT. Yeah, that's units, right? Ako si Jerwin. If you're like a criminologist, and then you wanted to teach, you need to get units from education or education units, whatever. Create this certification program. We thank you for the badge.
Okay guys, sa totoo na to, nagkukwentuhan kami ngayon. Kasi ngayon ko rin siya nakilala, pero natouch ako. I'm sure napapanood niya siya sa TikTok, yung mga pranking niya. Ako napanood ko siya, kaya ako siya minessage. Ako talaga nag-reach out. Meron kaming in common, breadwinner. Breadwinner.
Thank you so Vanya for liking the video and for liking the live.
So yung main income is also now from being a social media content creator.
Yes po.
Paano ka nag-start?
2022. Actually, di pa ako kumikita nung 2022. Last year pa ako nagkaroon ng income last year. I'm a lonely person kasi. Wala kasi akong friends. Hindi naman...
Oh, message mo ka anytime kailangan mo ng friend.
Ang una kong kanta is Ranking the Sky. So,
Ranking the Sky.
Ranking the Sky.
Ranking the Sky. Anyway, sobrang galing niya. Yung last na napanood ko, kinulab mo si Mr. Beast.
Ako,
Bye, ako si
Na Pinoy.
Jerry.
Tama ba ako? Na Pinoy na nakakolab si Mr. Beast?
oh yes po.
Nakakatakot yung cellphone
By
niya. Gusto ko
3
i-snap
p.m.,
niya.
I'm
Dami
gonna
ng
end this
numbers ng mga
live now
influencers.
because
Grabe,
my
lahat
phone is
talaga
already
ng kilala
low
ni Jeffy.
low battery.
Sabi nila, who is he? So we really want to know, sino ka nga ba?
Jeffy po.
Ay, mami. Ilang kayo magkakapatid?
Dalawa pa. Which is autistic yung kapatid kong bunso. Nakakaswerte talagang bahay ng lola ko. Yung bahay na yun, bigay talaga yun ng attorney. Si lola kasi, may tinulungan na pulubi. Which is, hindi niya alam, kapatid niya pala attorney. Ayun, biglang nung nagkaroon ng problem sa rental ng bahay ng lola ko before, biglang dumating yung attorney. Kasi, tinanong ni attorney na
Sino tumulong sa kapatid?
kapatid, pinakain kasi ni lola everyday.
Wow!
Ayun, biglang people talaga. Good karma.
So parang ang blessing ni Lord sa lola
Karma.
is yung house.
Yung house talaga.
And then doon ka nag-video.
Mag-isa.
Wow! Ang ganda! Kaya lagi guys, sinasabi ko, kapag may nakita ko o may ginawa kong maganda, kahit hindi
Papasok
naman siya
mo ako
naka-video,
bukas. Okay,
or kahit
Janelle
hindi siya
Salvania.
i-post, basta maganda
Good to
yung
hear
salita mo
that.
at makakatulong ka sa ibang tao.
Never ever
Nire-reward
absent
ka ni
here.
Lord.
Opo.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, mag-vlog na din siya. Ayan, yan yung kanyang YouTube channel. Facebook, puntahan niyo na din. Ayan, TikTok, alam niyo na upload. At sana supportahan niyo para lalong dumami yung kanyang reach. Mahilig ka bang bumili ng gamit para sa sarili mo?
Ito lang eh.
Magsasalita ako kay Batman. So, hindi. Baka habang nandito siya. Nakapatay po niya.
Okay, bye everyone. I'm gonna end this video. Thank you again and again and again for the gifts, for joining this live, for the questions. I was very entertained, and for making me laugh and for making me smile. Thank you for the unexpected discussion. Thank you so much. Bye.